Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss an issue that comes when we create APIs in Flask. So by the time we are creating the API, we don't have any such issue of course. But once like it is going to be integrated with the front end, then this issue come, and then this is cross origin request that we need to resolve. So we will be discussing how to resolve CORS issue that is reported from front end. So normally front end developers, they report because once initially when we create the API in Flask, we don't take care of this. So what are the steps through which you can resolve this CORS issue? So let us start the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new videos are uploaded on the channel. So first thing is Flask has again an inbuilt module called Flask CORS. Using pip, you need to install, the first step is you need to install Flask CORS. Once this module is installed, then only you can use. So this is the second part, like how you are going to use this in your application. So from Flask, first you need to import Flask. After that, you need to import this Flask underscore CORS. This Flask underscore CORS module is responsible for all types of CORS issues. So any type of request that is coming from front end, it will be able to resolve that. So once you have this Flask CORS, then you create an app. So this is the app that you are creating, and then you just need to CORS that full app so that any request that is coming to this app is resolved by this CORS module. So this Flask underscore CORS module is responsible for fixing all the CORS issue. So it is very simple. You just create a Flask application and just wrap that app into the CORS. So once that, again there is some issue. So this CORS is here. Now it's okay. So now the code is okay. You can see we are importing CORS from Flask CORS. This is the Flask, and then we are creating this app. This app will be responsible for creating all your APIs. Once your app is being created, you just need to wrap that app in the CORS. So this particular step that is responsible for all the fixing of all the types of CORS. So this is wrap. This app is being wrapped in the CORS. So any type of request, suppose this is a direct request on the root. So since it is wrapped into the CORS, so there will be no CORS issue. So this was simple fix for Flask CORS. So whenever you face any issue, just install this module and just wrap that your application in this CORS, so that like this CORS is going to take care of all the CORS related issues. So friends, this was all about Flask CORS. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.